Hey everybody, this is James, Kilo Hotel 2 Sierra Romeo from Quirky QRP, and it looks like Christmas came a couple days early, and I think this is my Quansheng TK-11. So let's open it up. Got my little knife here. Wait a minute. Call that a knife? This is a knife. Okay, here we go. Nice graphics on the packaging. There's the shortwave antenna for the secondary antenna port with a 3.5 millimeter mono jack. Here it is. Let's find that battery. I think it's a 3000 milliamp hour battery. Oh, 2500 milliamp hours. So this is supposedly a quad band covering a transmit range from 25 to 29.8, 50 to 54 megahertz, 136 to 174, and 350 to 490. And I wonder if that can be opened up even more and maybe cover the 1.25 meter band and maybe even the 12 meter band. We'll see after some tinkering. What else do we have in here? We got belt clip, wall charger, lanyard, and a drop-in charger. Okay. Let's see if there's any juice in the battery. Oh yeah?
Welcome, channel mode 1.
Showing 8.3 on the battery, so it looks like it's actually fully charged. Let's see if we can get up into the 10 meter band here. Oh, and here's the dual PTT. So you can transmit on band A or band B without having to switch anything with any buttons. That's pretty cool. This is supposedly 10 watts power output. Looks like this antenna will cover the 6 meter band. I don't believe it'll cover the 10 meter band. That would have to be an antenna purchased separately. Looks like the belt clip attaches similarly to the UVK5. Yep, nice and easy. Very cool. Got a speaker mic jack there. And here we go. Here's let's see what the port is on the battery. We do have a USB-C, so that's nice. That's great. Nice little monkey graphic at the beginning. And I have no idea how to use this radio yet, so it should be interesting. Maybe it's something like the UVK5.
Channel mode 1. Frequency mode.
There we go. Looks like we're down in the AM portion. Let's see if we can enter a frequency if we have to tune. I need to tune around. Okay, let's try 28,300. I'm not sure where there's an enter button on here. Anyways, pretty cool. If this can be opened up on the transmit side, then for those that are willing to run the risk, you could do MERS, GMRS, FRS, the frequency receive range is actually pretty good. I think it goes up into almost 1200 megahertz. And it has 999 channel memories. It can receive SSB, I believe, but it does not transmit in single sideband unless there's some kind of UVK5 kind of hack that lets you transmit double sideband possibly. That would be cool, but I'll be doing more tinkering with this, and I don't do a lot of video posting, but maybe I'll post another video. Anyways, thanks to Quansheng for sending this out to me. I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. I'll keep you posted.